morning. This is a Smoky Mountain Christmas. A bit unexpected. Our friends next door, of course they're still kids, they're only in their mid-40s, say they've never seen anything like this. And so welcome to a Smoky Mountain Christmas. I'm going to start out in the garage, have a little walk around the property. There's my new Le Mans 5. Well, it's not new, 10 years old, but new to me. This is going to give me a lot of nice service here. We'll walk around the garage. There's the garage computer setup. That's the garage computer, stereo, sidecar rig, work in progress. Well, we've been here 6 months or 7 months, and we're over half unpacked already. Le Mans 1, Le Mans 3, Le Mans 4, Le Mans 5, Dub-Dubbers, Motards, Yamahas, Genie's Harley, and the surprise of a white Christmas. Very unexpected. Oh, there's my green bean, my 72 Chevy pickup. Finally got more than 2 wheels after, I don't know, 40 years since I had a car.
Just like the
Truck.
I used to know.
That's the upper lot.
Where the treetops
Shutter the garage.
and children
Here's our kennel for our rescue dogs down the hill a bit.
who hear
Go back to the house. Let's walk up the house.
sleigh bells
Oh,
in
yeah.
the snow.
Look at the snow on the roof. I think there's, I don't know, 3 inches, maybe 3.5.
Of a white Christmas.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
With every Christmas card I write. May your day
Oh yeah,
be merry
the famous blue moon.
and bright. And may all
Barbecue,
your
hot tub. Only got 3. Well, it shows the top's good. Insulates. 103 degrees. Okay. I think I'm going to skip barbecuing today. I could. I don't know. We'll see. There's a tractor shed. And our lower lot goes down almost to where that car is down there. Walk around. Ooh, that crunchy snow sound. Thought we were leaving that behind Connecticut. I guess we're going to have it down here occasionally also. Well, it's supposed to be in the 40s in a couple of days, so this will all be gone. You got to get some pictures of it, seeing as it only shows up every 30 years or so. Wow, pretty. Look like New England. Well, when you show up down here, all you gotta do is look for the crows. Both driveways have a crow out in the entrance. Hopefully they won't have snow on it when you get here to visit. Ooh, what a day. Beautiful, huh? Now I walk across the street. Oh my goodness. Wow. Lots of traffic. Heavy duty. Oh yeah. 4-wheel drives. Live and well. Okay. This is the first time I've actually seen buildup on the road since we've been here. Usually, you know, we get a little snow, it's just on the grass. Now we actually have snow on the roads. Wow. And they said they can't drive on the roads down south. So far, they've been doing alright. Okay, I'm going to shut this off a minute. I'm going to take a few spills.